Alright, so this is the challenge for showing our room. Our humble abodes, our bedroom. By the way, me and Tom have actually both been sick, so he's gonna be so pissed. It's filthy, and he's gonna be embarrassed, but whatever. It's okay. He'll be fine. He'll be fine, but we actually have a few items that I really find interesting. So we got some fans here. Some really cool Asian fans. We also got some masks, interesting masks that Tom has actually gotten over the years. My favorite is that one. I don't know why. I just have something with statues and long hair. It's actually really cool. Also this one, I call it the Slipknot mask because I guess there's a member of Slipknot, not like I don't know, but has a nose like that, and he kind of plays with it in concert, so it's kind of weird. But yeah, like the traditional African tribal masks and a couple other places. So we also have this one, which is really cool. I love it. Kind of like an Asian dragon, basically, or a bird. On the left, on the right, move all night. Hey guys, Thursday Bear here, with another installment of Thursday Bear Tommy's Thursday Bear Thursdays. Oh, Pablito, I'm sorry you made an ass of yourself, but that was the challenge. That was the purpose of it. Monday Bear Carlos, you wanted to know what our favorite movie was for 2010 was. Kick-Ass? Yeah, Kick-Ass, I guess. Or Get Him to the Greek. I don't know if they came out in 2010, but those are my favorite movies of the year. Get Him to the Greek was just hilarious. If you've never seen it before, please go and rent it or Netflix it or whatever you have to do. Tuesday Bear Joe actually wanted to know what was our favorite thing to cook. My favorite thing to cook is bacon. Mainly breakfast foods. Sometimes the evening cooking and stuff like that. But I really like making breakfast foods like omelets, scrambled eggs, sunny side up eggs, just eggs in general. Sausage, but I burn it usually. A movie that's in my movie collection, I don't really have one that's embarrassing. Embarrassing. I really don't have one, guys. I'm sorry. I love all my movies. I don't buy any movies that would be embarrassing to me, so I don't know. Well, guys, that's my piece. I'm gonna go now. Yeah. If you don't hear this snoring in the background, it's actually Chance. The chubby one. Chubby chubbies. Chubby! Changers! Changers! Oh, there he is. Ginger Budo. Ginger Budo. Oh, look at him. Him love it. Oh, there she is. There's my little girl. Hi, girl. Come here, jigga, jigga, jigga.